Well, no bear sightings. Which, even if the bear were around, my homemade bear bells are nice and loud to basically, you know, when black bears are timid, they hear noise like that, they just walk away from it. Anyhow, headed back down the mountain, and got about 3 point something miles to go. Get back down to the lake. And I'm carrying Finn out. He walked all the way up the mountain, but I'm carrying him all the way out in his front pack carrier because 7 miles is too much for him. Odin's going strong. Odin, your backpack's ajar. But yep, should be smooth sailing all the way down. There are some very steep sections that have a lot of loose rocks of varying sizes. I'll have to be really careful going down. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy, let's go.